The UC Personal Insight question number 6. What have you done to make your school or your community a better place? Think about the term community. What does community mean to you? Community can be about your family, a team that you play on, your group of friends, your school or work team. Once you figure out how community applies to you, then you're ready to begin. Now take it a step further. What's your role in this community? Did you have a part in impacting a positive change? What inspired you to act? If this was a group effort, what was your specific role? Oftentimes, we minimize the impact we have, saying we only had a small part or that our actions aren't really that monumental. But remember, no matter how big or how small we judge our involvement, it still provides an impact, whether that be on a large group or on one person. Don't diminish your role in this. As with the other PIQs, make sure to provide a specific example to illustrate your involvement. But don't let this be the primary focus. Think about the reasons why you wanted to help and what you learned from this experience. What were the benefits to you and others in your community? Don't forget that if you find that this question doesn't appeal to you, or that maybe this isn't a question that you can write about, it's no problem. Don't feel that you're stuck answering this question since there are 6 others to choose from, so take the time to explore your other options. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.